After you've installed and configured your scanner, you need to create a scan schedule to tell the scanner when you want to scan your network. To create a new scan schedule, click the Create button next to the option for setting up a scan schedule to configure when and how scans are performed. First, you need to give the scan schedule a name. Then choose whether this will be a scan of your external or internal network. If you choose a scan of your external network using our scanners, you will need to have any external IP addresses that you provide to be approved before scanning occurs to ensure that our external scanners are scanning valid IPs owned by you. Otherwise, choose an installed scanner from the drop-down list in the second option to run internal scans. We'll choose our scanner and click Save and Next. You can set the scan to occur once or reoccur at a specified frequency. Enter a date and time for the single scan to occur, or choose a frequency for multiple scans. We'll choose monthly, enter a start date, the time will default to midnight, and give this frequency schedule a name so it can be used in other scanning schedules if needed, which can be selected in the future with this option when creating other scan schedules. We'll name ours Monthly Scan. Then click Save and Next. You need to specify which days and times are fine to scan your network. You can opt to allow any time for scanning, or if business hours aren't feasible, you can choose nights and weekends, or weekends, or create a new time schedule by clicking the available time slots to turn them green, designating a time when scanning is allowed. We'll just choose the existing time schedule for nights and weekends and click Save and Next. If you want to perform authenticated scans with the scan schedule, which is optional, you can get more information by expanding the help box and downloading the authenticated scanning guide to set it up. If you go this route, you'll need to supply the appropriate login credentials and give them a name. We'll opt out of using authenticated scanning here though, and click Save and Next. You need to provide the target IPs and/or IP ranges you want to scan here separated by commas. If you want to exclude any particular IPs or IP ranges from the scan, enter them here separated by commas. Then click Save and Next. To verify that the scanner is behaving correctly, you need to supply both a valid and invalid IP address to make sure the scanner is returning the expected results. Enter a valid IP and an invalid or unused IP. Then click Start Test. If both tests pass, the scanner is behaving as expected. Click Save and Next. Finally, you can choose to notify certain users whenever this scan starts or completes by placing a check mark next to their name. We'll just click Save and Close to finish. Your new scan schedule will now appear in the table.